Hey everybody, this is Scott Weidenkivowitz from Photocruddy and NextGEN Gallery. In this video I want to show you how you can create a portfolio on your website where it's basically you have an album. So here is a Pro extended album that I've customized to make it match my website. And I have 3 galleries in this portfolio. I think actually I have 4 galleries in this portfolio or in this album. Okay, so I have an album here and there's 4 galleries, and each one, if I click on it, first if I hover, you'll notice that on the bottom left of the browser, it actually is linking to a page. Instead of it linking to itself, the default function of NextGEN Gallery is when you insert an album, the gallery that you have selected will appear on the same page. And this is great for simplicity, but advanced users want more control. So what we've done is we have a link to page feature, so I can click on this and it'll bring me to my portrait portfolio on a separate page. Okay, so it's going to bring me to a different page where I have the gallery how I want it. So instead of it linking on the same page, I'm now at a completely different URL on my site with my gallery all in the right place. So I can go hit the back button and it takes me right back to my main portfolio or my main album. So how do I do this? Here we are in the Manage Gallery area of my website, and you can see here I have portrait photography. And if I go into portrait photography, it'll take a second to load, and you'll see here are all my images, and I got my description, everything set up. But then right here it says link to page. Now, when you hover over it, it says albums will link to this gallery to the selected page. And you can see here I have the page where I want it to link to selected. Okay, so that means that if this was set to not linked, then when I clicked on it, it would actually show the gallery right here. But because it is linked to a page, when I click on it, it'll actually go to the page right here, New Jersey Portrait Photographer, which is selected. So you can see right here, I'm now on that page. So that is how the link to page feature works. And what's really cool is so you can do this with albums, with galleries, but you can also do this with albums. So one of the other features with NextGEN Gallery is that you can actually do albums in albums. So let's say I want to put another album inside of my portfolio album. I can go here and I can select a different album that I already created. And, I got my info here and whatnot. But then what's really cool is, let's say I did include that. You can hit edit album and you can do the same thing, link page to. So if you are doing albums in albums, so if you've got multiple albums going on, for example, if you've got an album that is all of your photographs, every photograph you've ever uploaded to NextGEN Gallery, and then you've got an album for 2013, an album for 2014, and then each month or whatever session, whatever photo shoot, or whatever galleries you create are inside of those albums, then you've got complete control over where it's linking to, or if it's just going and loading those galleries on the pages, on that one page where you include the master album. So you've got lots of options to do. So there you go. That's the link to page feature. If you have any questions, comment, let us know, or get in touch with us through support. Thanks for watching.